supposed to let her talk.
Who?
Tightsy.
Her name is Tightsy?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Tightsy?
Yes?
Well, I'm doing something with the goggles. Let me show you.
I thought this was a bedtime story.
What's the matter with your voice?
I thought this was a bedtime story. I didn't want to see them goggles. I want to go to bed. Tell the bedtime story, please.
Oh, yeah. Once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess named Dot. She waved her wand and she danced along with the prince. And now we do stuff. So, Tightsy, what do you think about that story?
Well, what kind of stuff did you do, and how long is this story going to take?
I think it's going to take 5 minutes. What do you think?
Go, start now so we go to bed.
Oh, yeah. Well, once upon a time, there was a beautiful princess. She danced and danced, slide on the floor, but then she slipped. She slipped like this. Whoa! That's how she slipped. Well, what do you think? Do you think I should tell more?
I think you about summed it up. So after she slipped, did she have to go to the hospital?
Oh, no, she didn't hurt herself at all.
So she was able to go right to bed and have the sweetest of dreams?
Yep. And then
Oh, great!
I need to go tell the downstairs girl about something.
Okay, well, can we finish the story first? It's past bedtime for you and me.
Oh.
Say goodbye.
Goodbye. Night.
Okay, see you in the morning.
Wait, it's time for you to tell the story now.
No, it's not. Good night.
Okay.
See you.